Surkhandarya polvonlar yurti deb ataladi. Qolaversa tarixdan ham ma'lum, bizda Termizda yengilmas Termiz mardlar shahri deb tarixda nom qoldirilgan.
Uzbekistan's far south, a region less traveled, less photographed, and far less transformed by the footprints of modern tourism. This is where India, Persia, and Central Asia once met, not in battle, but in belief. This region didn't divide cultures, it connected them, through prayer, through philosophy, through art. Surkhandarya region shares borders with 3 countries, Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, and Tajikistan.
Многие люди говорят, кто побывал в Узбекистане, они говорят, если хочешь понять глубоко душу узбекского народа, надо езжать в дальние регионы, такие регионы, как Суркhandarya.
В последнее время количество туристов у нас практически удвоилось за последний год. И сейчас мы можем себе позволить говорить о цифрах в 1 миллион туристов в течение года в нашу область.
Very close to Termez, more than 2,000 years ago, Buddhism flourished. Behind me are the ruins of Ayastepe, once a peaceful Buddhist monastery and a key stop along the Silk Road. It reminds us that Surkhandarya has long been a crossroad of culture and belief. Inside the painted walls of Ayastepa's monastic ruins, monks once lived, worshipped, and created art that blended Central Asian and Indian styles.
Where I'm standing would be the courtyard of the monastery. Then westwards it would be the dwelling area for the Buddhist monks, and then eastwards it would be the household sector for cooking the food and washing the dresses of the Buddhist monks. Beyond me you can see the stupa, and that would be like a museum for keeping the relics dealing with the name of the Buddha.
But the most mysterious site lies just a few meters away, Karatepa, a network of cave temples carved directly into sandstone cliffs. Here, monks lived in cells dug from rock, prayed in underground chapels, and followed a life of solitude and devotion. Within 2 hours' drive, the mountain town of Boysun is recognized by UNESCO for its living cultural traditions. In the heart of the city, the Boysun Handicraft Center is a quiet but powerful effort to keep ancient heritage alive.
Kelgan mehmonlarimiz asosan o'sha birinchi navbatda mana shu hunarlarni qadimiyligi bilan qiziqishadi. Qaysi davrga borib taqaladi va o'sha avloddan avlodga o'tib kelayotgani va hozirgi kunda zamonaviylik bilan qanday uyg'unlashayotgani bilan qiziqishadi.
Outside the town, hidden deep in the folds of mountains, lies a quiet place known as Khujamaihona. There, you can also smell the fire before you see it. Bread baked in clay tanders. It is actually a gathering place for locals and tourists. Very close, Tagisar Canyon features towering cliffs made of weathered sandstone, sculpted by wind and water over millennia into a series of narrow gorges and labyrinth-like corridors.
Qolaversa, turistlar uchun aytiladigan gap bo'ladigan bo'lsa, umuman Surkhandarya viloyati ochilmagan qirg'alar. Surkhandarya viloyatida o'nlab sharsharalar bor. O'nlab ekoturizm zonalari bor.
For travelers seeking an authentic cultural experience, the Hisar Range offers the opportunity to stay in traditional villages. But there in the mountains, a musical surprise was awaiting us, the Boysun Folklore Ethnographic People's Ensemble.
Qolaversa, shu jumladan qo'shiqlarimiz ham o'shanaqa qo'shiqlar, qishloqlardan, tog'lardan, dashtlardan, o'sha cho'ponlardan, dehqonlardan olingan insoniyatning hayotidan olingan qo'shiqlar.
Bizda ansamblimizda juda katta boy kuchga ega bo'lgan jamoa bor va boy qo'shiqlar, boy raqslar bor. Bu raqslarni biz xalqning orasidan olib, xalqqa namoyish etamiz.
Surkhandarya is more than a destination. It's a living story waiting to be felt. We came here to film history, but actually we found a true heart.